Here we are, guys. Seattle Airport. Just touched down. 7:17. We have plenty of gates and going down here. Huh? Pierce. Yeah, Pierce Chang, yes. Oh, there's Wendy's. Oh, you look, Wendy's. Let's check this out. What can we see here? Tender Loving Empire. Okay. Okay, welcome to Seattle, guys.